I'm Noriko Tomita from the Quality Control Section. It's nice to meet you all. Our main duties are quality maintenance and management of products and parts, and response and action on the product environmental regulation. To maintain the quality of our products, the inspection of parts and products are conducted only by people who have received the on-the-job training and have been registered as an inspector in conformity with our ISO rule. When a malfunction occurs in the inspection or at the user, the Quality Control Section member solves a problem with the engineering or service department members. We promote the improvement of the quality of our products in cooperation with the relevant departments. As for the response to the environmental laws and regulations, we published a Green Procurement Management Guideline, including Rules 2, 10 substances, and we investigate the hazardous substances for each part or unit. The results are utilized when responding to our customer and adding technical documentation for roads. We'll continue our efforts every day to improve the quality of our products in order to provide you with better products and services.